Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Canva for team projects. Whether you're working on a marketing campaign, a presentation, or social media content, Canva makes it easy to collaborate and create amazing designs together. Let's dive in. Set up your team in Canva. First, you'll need to set up your team in Canva. If you're using Canva Pro or Canva for Teams, go to Account Settings, select the People option on the left sidebar, and then click the Invite People button. Invite your team members via email by entering their email addresses. Once they accept, they'll be added to your team, ready to start collaborating. Create a shared folder. Next, organize your team's projects by creating a shared folder. This helps keep all your designs in one place and makes it easy for everyone to access the latest files. Go to the Projects tab on the left. Click Folders and name it something relevant to your project. Then, share the folder with your team by clicking the Share button and selecting your team members. Start designing together. Now, it's time to start designing together. Open a new or existing design and make sure to share it with your team. Everyone can work on the design simultaneously, making real-time edits and updates. Canva's collaborative tools allow you to see changes as they happen, which is perfect for keeping everyone in sync. Use comments for feedback. To streamline communication, use Canva's commenting feature. You can leave comments on specific elements in the design, ask questions, or provide feedback directly within Canva. Simply click on an element and select Add Comment. Tag team members using @ followed by their name to ensure they see your notes. Review and finalize your project. Once everyone has contributed, it's time to review and finalize the project. Go through the design, check the comments, and make any necessary changes. When you're happy with the final version, you can download the design, share it with others, or present it directly from Canva. And there you have it, Genius Junkies! Using Canva for team projects is a breeze with these steps. It's a great way to keep your team organized and your designs consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.